I'm videoing.
Stick it in that.
Speed up. Oh. It stopped.
What? They gotta do the bloody thing.
Come on, choo choo. He's off.
And the stick against that.
Speed up a bit. Oh, it's gone.
Huh? The point's gotta be done, so.
It's pretty critical, isn't it, the DCC?
Yeah,
He's off. Choo choo! Passengers are all dead.
Huh?
It's good though, isn't it?
Comes off on that bloody thing over here.
You don't see the lights on.
What?
Lights are on in the carriage.
Yes, come on. That's the trouble with this.
Very good. Toots.
Needs cleaning. Needs all cleaning. Oh, I ain't got a thing on the speed.
Lights off. Oh, he's flying now. He's flying. That's better. Come on. He's off now. No stopping him.
No down here, I'm right off.
That's it. I'll video it. I'll video your lights.
Video, eh?
Yeah. So it looks like. Ooh.
See, I haven't got them all on yet. There's some of them, but look how bright they are.
They're good, aren't they?
Bloody good lights. Yeah, they see it much now.
Good, isn't it?
What?
Very good.
I'll put the other light.
Not better than it was, isn't it?
What? Oh, no, I'll put the lights off.
I'm gonna.
What?
I'm videoing all of it.
We get the train going around. Video and took the train around. That's all, isn't it?
Like a big toy shop. Oh, got some sound.
What? Oh, I don't
Where's he going then? You got modern track, modern carriage
What?
on a steam train. Choo choo!
What?
Oh, he's off. I'm following it.
For some reason the sun shut down. I'll just put it in that carriage now. I don't know what, I think it's a quick one.
Oh, he's off. Come off, honey.
Oh. I've only just done that.
Brilliant. Little people. You've been busy, haven't you?
What?
I said you've been busy, haven't you?
You like me mine?
I'm just looking at it now. Very good.
I ain't done that. I've got to get this the sound thing right. I've only just done that.
I like your diggers on your mind.
What?
I like your diggers on your mind.
Yeah.
The station. There he comes. I'm speeding up now. He's racing. How long did he spend up here? Something else going now, isn't there? What? What else is going?
Put the lights on.
Oh yeah, he's off. Choo choo! Oh, you got lights on the front, that one. He's gone. There's a coach shed in there.
What?
How many trains you actually got then? How many trains you actually got now? Oh, I see you still, Ben. Little trucks. Very good.